Changing the blower motor out on a 2011 Prostar International. Simple, very simple. Couldn't find a how-to video, so I decided I'd make one myself. I went and got the blower motor from Richard Kearns. You're gonna need tools. You're gonna need T20 star head. Let me see if I can get that to focus. 6 point. Okay, yeah. That's it, really. This is where it's located. First thing I did, pop this cover off. Pop that cover off. That just, you grab that at the top and it pops right out. Then I had to come and take this piece, the doghouse, loose. This bolt here, and there was another bolt here that was able to slide back out of my way. It was also a second trim piece that goes here. Pull this same T20 6 point, star head. Pull this, just take this one loose, and that pops out. Then you have the bottom section. It covers this way. You have one, two, three bolts here. And if you're lucky and somebody been in yours like they've been in mine, of course they never put all the bolts back. But you have one at the bottom and one on this side. Well, those are mid. I'm sorry. One on left and right mid, and one at the bottom of each. Take those out, and that pops out. Once it pops out, then this is what you see. Now, same bolts, same screws. I'm sorry, I keep saying bolts. Same screws. You have, like I say, if you're lucky like me, somebody been in yours and they ain't put all the screws back. It was easy. Had one here. I'm sorry, one here. Here. And here. Oh, I'm sorry. One was right here also. Here. Here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me start that over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on 1 second. 6 in the middle. And 7 up top. I think it's, yep, there's one in here. 8. And let's see if I can get that down in there. 9. So I think it's a total of 9 bolts. Total 9 bolts. I think I counted these. If I didn't count this one, it's 10. So here and here, those two are real close to each other. Once you get all those screws out, I keep saying bolts, I'm sorry. Once you get all those screws out, on the left side of the black box, it's a wire harness you unplug. It's real simple. Mine's had double green wires. Plugs in this. Not really for sure what this is. I think this not for sure exactly what it is, but has a plug. Just one plug. Once you unplug it, it slides right out. Now, I almost forgot. The motor itself is plugged up here. This your hot and your ground. It's real simple. Push up. It's supposed to be a bolt here, but it's supposed to be a screw here, but I took mine out. Push this in. Push that in and pull it out. Hold on, let me put a bolt back in there let me put a screw back in there so I can show you. Okay, now I'm back. Screw back in there so that's stable. But real simple. Push up tab, pull out. Bah, there we go. And then this comes out. This is your blower motor. Real simple. I got mine out of the junkyard, 75 bucks. Not for sure exactly how much the dealer wants. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be more than 75. But a plus on, I got an extra one of these. I think this controls this door here. This door here. Yeah, that's exactly what they do. That controls this door. It opens and closes. So I got an extra one of these just in case it goes out. But extra one of these. 75 bucks. It's reverse. Snap it back in. It's real simple. Then your blower motor will be back working. That's it.